welcome back to my channel. So this is the ladybug family. So here's the dad, here's the sister, here's the little baby brother. The mommy ladybug is out to find food. So let's get to the video. So today we'll be drawing a ladybug family. So the color we need is a blue marker, a light green marker, and a red marker. And also I'm just using a Sharpie so you can see it better, but you can just use a pencil or anything. Now we will draw the body of the ladybug. And then we draw the line in the middle. And then we draw the spots. So we draw a circle and another circle. So now we draw a hump over here. And then we add the antennas. And then you draw the ladybug's sister. And then you add the antennas. And then you do the same thing like this, but smaller. And then you do the little brother. So we add little one. Then we add the line. And then we add the dots. So now we add the face. And then the antennas. Now we need to color the dots black. Now we'll color. So we get the red, then we color around. Then we draw the face. Color the face. And then you draw the there's ladybug face. Now we will draw the blue. And then we draw the green. now we will draw the floor. So you get your pencil, and then you draw lines like this. And then you're done with the picture, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!